Hello kids, welcome to today's maths class, and today we'll do subtraction. Our learning objectives are: what is subtraction? Subtraction on the number line, subtraction of 0, 10 or 100, subtraction without borrowing 2-digit numbers, subtraction in expanded form, subtraction without borrowing 3-digit number, subtraction with borrowing 2-digit number, subtraction with borrowing 3-digit number, and word problem on subtraction. So first we'll know what is subtraction. Subtraction is an arithmetic operation that represents the operation of removing object from collection. The result of subtraction is called difference. Subtraction signified the minus sign. This is sign called minus, and this is sign of subtraction. Such as 5 minus 2, that is equals to 3. Next, subtraction on the number line. Subtract these numbers on number line. So we have to do 14 minus 8. So from 0, first we'll go to number 14. Now we have to subtract, so we'll go backward. 8 places backward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is number 6. So 14 minus 8, that is 6. So this way we will subtract the number on number line. Next, subtraction of 0, 10 and 100. On subtracting 0 from a number, give the number itself. किसी भी number से 0 subtract करेंगे, we'll get the same number. 7 minus 0, 7. 54 minus 0, 54. Next, on subtracting 1 from the number, the 10 digit decrease by 1. Like 87 minus 10. So, we'll get 77. So, the digit at 10's place was 8. When we subtract 10, the digit at 10's place will decrease by 1. It becomes 7. Next, on subtracting 100 from the number, the 100 digit decrease by 1. 974 minus 100, that is 874. Next, fill in the blanks. 25 minus 10. 10 subtract करना है, that means the digit at 10's place will decrease by 1. So here it was 2. Now it become 1. So answer is 1515. Next, subtraction without borrowing 2-digit numbers. Subtract 43 from 85. Always subtract lesser number from bigger number. So 85 में से 43 subtract करना है. Subtract ones from ones. So 5 minus 3, that is 2. Then 8 minus 4, 4. So the difference is 42. Next, subtract. We have to subtract 23 from 64. Start from ones. 4 minus 3, that is 1. 6 minus 2, that is 4. So difference is 41. Next, common mistakes. 48 minus 30. 8 minus 0 is 8, not 0. So this is the correct way of doing the subtraction. Next, subtraction in expanded form. We have to subtract 452 from 795. So first we'll expand the number. 795 can be written as 7 hundreds, 9 tens, 5 ones. 452, 400, 5 tens, 2 ones. Or we can write 700 plus 90 plus 5, 400 plus 50 plus 2. Now start subtracting. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 90 minus 50, that is 40. 700 minus 400, that is 300. So answer is 343. Next, hot question. How many pages are left for them? 36 minus 20. 6 minus 0, 6. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So that is, now answer is 16. Next, subtraction without borrowing 3-digit numbers. We have to subtract 235 from 786. Start from ones. 6 minus 5 that is 1, 8 minus 3 5, 7 minus 2 that is 5. So answer is 551. Always start from ones, then tens, and then move to 100. Next, subtract. We have to subtract 74 from 395. Write ones under ones column, tens under tens column. So the upper one, that is a 3-digit number, and this is 2-digit number. Start from ones. 5 minus 4 that is 1, 9 minus 7 that is 2, and 3 minus 0 that is 3. So answer is 321. Next, life skills. Deepa buys balloon for rupees 42. She gives the shopkeeper a 50 rupee note. The shopkeeper pay her back a 10 rupee and ask for change, because टोटल 50 रुपी का नोट था एंड उसने बलून कितना 42 रुपीज़ का बाय किया. दैट मीन्स द बैलेंस इज 8 रुपीज़ एंड द शॉपकीपर गेव हर 10 रुपीज़ नोट. सो हाउ मच चेंज शुड शी गिव हिम? 2 रुपीज़. दैट इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नेक्स्ट, सब्ट्रैक्शन विथ बोरोइंग 2-digit number. Now we'll take an example. Subtract 58 from 82. So first we cannot subtract 8 ones from 4 ones. So what we'll do? We borrow 1 10 from 9 tens, leaving behind 8 tens. 1 10 equals to 10 ones. Now 10 ones plus 2 ones, that is 12 ones. 12 ones minus 8 ones, 4 ones. 7 10 minus 5 10, that is 2 tens. So remainder equals to 24. Start from ones. 2 minus 8, that's not possible. So we'll borrow from tens position. It will become 12. 1 10 add करेंगे तो 12 हो जाएगा. 12 minus 8, that is 4. And here we have borrowed 1 10, so it will become 7. 7 minus 5, that is 2. So answer is 24. Next, subtract. We have to subtract 7 from 44. Start from ones. We have to subtract 7 from 4. That's not possible. So we'll borrow from tens position. It will become 3 and it will become 14. 14 minus 7, 7. 3 minus 0, 3. So the difference is 37. Common mistakes. 48 minus 39. So here we have to subtract 9 from 8. That's not possible. We will not write it like 1, like this. We have to borrow from tens position. It will become 18 and 3. So 18 minus 9, 9. 3 minus 3 is 0. So this is the correct way of doing this sum. Next, subtract. We have to subtract 18 from 72. Start from ones. We have to subtract 8 from 2. That's not possible. So borrow from tens. 12 and 6. 12 minus 8, that is 4. 6 minus 1, that is 5. So answer is 54. Next is horse question. Subtract across down to find the magic number. So 7 minus 6, that is 1. 5 minus 4, that is 1. 2 minus 2, that is 0. Here 7 minus 5, that is 2. 6 minus 4, that is 2. 1 minus 1, that is 0. Clear? Next, subtraction with borrowing 3-digit numbers. We have to subtract 258 from 432. We cannot subtract 8 ones from 2 ones. We borrow 1 10 from 3 tens, leaving behind 2 tens. 1 10 plus 2 ones, that is 10 ones plus 2 ones, that is 12 ones. 12 minus 8, 4 ones. Now we cannot subtract 5 tens from 2 tens. So we borrow 100 from 400, leaving behind 300. So 100 plus 2 tens, that is 10 tens plus 2 tens, that is 12 tens. 12 tens minus 5 tens, that is 7 tens. 300 minus 200, that is 100. Remainder is 174. So we'll start from ones. We have to subtract 8 from 2. That's not possible. So we'll borrow from tens position. It will become 12. And here it become 2. 12 minus 8, that is 4. Now we cannot subtract 5 from 2. So we'll borrow from here. It become 3 and become 12. 12 minus 5, that is 7. 3 minus 2, that is 1. Answer is 174. Next is subtract. We have to subtract 256 from 434. Start from ones. 4 minus 6 is not possible. Borrow from here. Become 2 and 14. 14 minus 6, that is 8. Again, we cannot subtract 5 from 2. So we'll borrow from tens position. It will become 3 and 12. 12 minus 5, that is 7. 3 minus 2, that is 1. So answer is 178. Common mistakes. We have to subtract 368 from 520. So 0 में से 8 subtract करना है, will not write 8. Rather than we'll borrow from the next number, that is 10, and subtract. So this is the correct way. Clear? Next is subtract. We have to subtract 539 from 688. Start from ones. 8 minus 9 not possible. Start borrowing from tens position. It becomes 7, 18. 18 minus 9, 9. 7 minus 3, that is 4. 6 minus 5, that is 1. So answer is 149. This way you will subtract the number. Next, Hot's question. Paul and Alan had 125 marbles each. Paul gave some of his marble to Alan, and Alan now have 160 marbles. How much more marble does Alan have than Paul? So both have 125 marbles. Paul and Alan. Now Alan have 160. So कितने ज़्यादा है? 160 minus 125. 35. So Alan have 35 marbles more than Paul. Next, word problem on subtraction. Alan bought 50 marbles for Anu. He lost 27 marbles. How many marbles are left? Total 50 marbles say, out of that 27 lost. So what will do? 50 minus 27. 0 minus 7 is not possible. Start borrowing from tens position. It will become 4 and at 10. 10 minus 7, that is 3. 4 minus 2, that is 2. So now 23 marbles are left with him. Clear? So you have to practice all these questions. Here we end the chapter. I hope you understand it well. Now you have to practice it.